Hello all, Jamie Rodgers here today for Creative Expressions, and we're going to be looking at a top tip using Pixie Sparkles called die cut tie-dyeing. This is a really fun and easy one to do. All you're going to need to begin with is a self-adhesive sheet. You can stick this onto a piece of card and then remove the top part of it. I've cut mine down to about a 5.5 inch square, and then what I'm going to do is take some random die cuts. These ones are actually using Sue Wilson's beautiful French Marigold die set, which truly is one of my favourite flower dies all time, because it also, when it cuts, it also sort of embosses these lovely details on it. I just love this flower set, but we're not here to rant and rave only about that today. So take those, stick them all over the self-adhesive sheet randomly, bring back in the top layer that you removed from your self-adhesive sheet as I just did, put it on top and give it a good firm push down to make sure them flowers are all stuck down onto the self-adhesive sheet. Either trim around them with a pair of scissors or use a guillotine or a trimmer to just take off the excess if you wish to. You can do this at a later stage if you prefer. I was just trying to make it look quite neat at this stage. Once you have done that, we can then bring in other products and we can add these to the top. They're going to lay on all of the self-adhesive area, and they're hopefully not going to attach themselves too much to the die cuts at this stage, but they will stay on all of them sticky areas from the self-adhesive sheet. I'm going to be using Pixie Sparkles in Teal Marine, Copper Splash and Gilded Plum. I've also got some Cosmic Shimmer holographic glitter bits in the Silver Gems shade that I've also sprinkled over the top so that they've got some nice big sequiny style glitter pieces on there too to give a bit more sparkle. And then I'm going to use an applicator sponge from Creative Expressions, just working in a circular motion over the top of the self-adhesive sheet to burnish all of them products nicely down onto the sticky areas. Now I know some of it may well be left on top of the die cuts. I'm really not worried about that, that's not a problem. I'm just trying to clear off as much excess as I can do, because I want the die cuts to stay relatively light in the middle and darker on the edges. I'm now just misting with water to activate the Pixie Sparkles, knowing that they will seep in and dye or tie-dye the effects of the die cuts, as you can see here. That's the background we just created. This is one I did earlier with some lighter shades. All of the products I've shared with you to create this effect can be found at all good Creative Expression stockists. Thanks for watching.